Hey, have you been looking for a utility line locator that has RTK, GNSS capabilities built within it? Well, my name is Royce Kemp, and we're going to take a look at the new vLoc3 RTK Pro receiver. So, if you're looking for a utility line locator that also has GNSS centimeter grade accuracy locates, this is a locator you need to take a look at. It is built on the popular vLoc3 vLoc3 Pro platform. It has all the same functionalities that you've been accustomed to, all the frequencies, the warnings, the antenna configurations, but it also has one important other thing. It has the GNSS RTK antenna. Okay, this is the way it works. First, you want to make sure that you have data cellular connection. You're in RTK, and we're going to locate normally. We're going to go straight down the line. Once we like what our locate, we're going to hit the I button, the depth, GPS, and milliamps. If we want to log it, we hit the plus key. And now we're going to tilt the unit back until the clear bubble fills in the target, center target. And then it'll go over and to the normal locate mode, so that the office could take a look at our information. All we have to do is hold the I button down for 2 seconds on the receiver, scroll up and down to find cloud, and then hit the enter key. Now the information will be sent to the server. Okay, so we're now back at the office, and we're going to log into vmount.vxmt.com. What we'll do is go here to the left where it says surveys. These are the surveys I've done. I'm going to choose number 3 here. I'm going to click on it. And these are the points I've taken. And then if I click on one of them, it'll show me the date, time, frequency, current of the locator, depth, latitude, and longitude. If I like what I see, I can go to export, and I can export it as a CSV file or a KML. Another way to get your information off the receiver is to use the vLoc3 application MyLocator3. As you can see, I have it installed here on my PC. Open it up. You can see that the receiver serial number, so it's made connection. And then if I go right here to where it says data log, open it up. Make sure you're in locate, type of log, and then we're going to download it. And then I can choose which the file name or change it. And then I can also choose what kind of file I want. And I have CSV, KML, shapefile, or Excel file. So I can choose all of them. So let's just do a KML. And then I can save it. So leave a comment below on what you think about the new vLoc3 RTK Pro receiver. And in the description, we'll have a link to our website so you can find more information on the RTK Pro receiver and other products that we sell.